simply go to the Windows 11 download page, and you can find a link to that in the video description. So please go there to get to the Windows 11 download page. And then from there, you will see several options to download Windows 11. Please choose the option that is based on the media creation tool, because this does all of the work for you. All you will need is a USB flash drive. So there you go, download this tool and make sure you plug in your USB flash drive into the USB port of your PC. After downloading it, go ahead and run the media creation tool. Now while running it, you may get this little security prompt of concern, but don't worry, this is from Microsoft itself, so it's completely safe. So go ahead and run it anyway. Okay, great. So now at this point, the media creation tool will start running, and then it's going to ask you to read the license terms, and after doing so, go to the next page, and then it's going to ask you for the edition of Windows. By default, it's Windows 11, so you can go ahead and click next. And now there you go, this is what we've been looking for. It now asks you, do you want to use a USB flash drive or an ISO file? But of course, in our case here, we're trying to create a bootable installation USB, so we're going to choose the USB flash drive. And now finally, it's going to ask you which USB flash drive you want to use, and you should see it here by default. By default, it will choose your USB flash drive that is not your hard drive. Of course, that's not where your Windows OS is currently right now, but you can always verify this. You can always do so by right clicking the start button and then choose File Explorer. And then at this point from the left side, click where it says this PC, and there you go, you are going to see all of the drives on your computer, including your USB flash drive. So now you should be able to see it, including how much storage it has. So for example, if you have a 64GB hard drive, it probably will say 60 because of formatting. If you have a 128, it probably will say 120. If you have a 32, it probably will say 28, something like that. And there you go, you should be able to see it among this list. So now go back to the media creation tool, confirm this, and go ahead, you can start creating your bootable installation USB. So now this will begin the process for you. Once it is done, that's it, you have a bootable Windows 11 installation USB flash drive. So now all you have to do is restart your PC and you can boot from that flash drive. This is much easier than it sounds. All you have to do is just when your computer turns on, hit one of the following keyboard shortcuts, which depends on your manufacturer. So this is a list of keyboard shortcuts to press to go to the boot menu depending on your manufacturer. So you can hit one of those keyboard shortcuts, boom, right when your computer turns on, and there you go, you should get access to the boot menu, and from there you can boot directly to the USB flash drive and do a clean install of Windows 11. So as you can see in this video here, it was that simple to create a bootable installation USB to do a clean install of Windows 11. So for more videos like this that are simple and straight to the point, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.